students, today we are going to have general grammar in 8th class because your textbook has been changed and those who were just reading last year the books which were applicable is totally different one. This year we will be just reading this book Honeydew and Honeydew textbook in English for class 8. So the textbook you must be having, you must have purchased from the market. Then only we will be just starting the chapter wise study. Before that, I would like to just teach you general grammar. In general grammar, the most important topic that is all the time coming for your exam, in your exam for 2 marks is article. Article means what? Articles are determiners, adjective. Article. There are, what do you mean by articles? These are the determiners or the adjective you may say. There are 3 articles, a, an and the. These are the definite article, sorry, indefinite article. This one is the definite article. Indefinite article and definite article. Now students, keep in your mind, in the previous classes what we have studied that use of a and an and use of the. These 3 words are known as articles and a and n are known as indefinite article while the is known as definite article. So use of a and n. First sentence. There was a pen on table. Okay, leave it. There was, which article will be coming? Pen on the table. So the how there was pen. P starts with consonant. Mind it, it doesn't matter whether this particular word is starting with consonant or anything else. How it is pronounced, the all depends, the use of a and a or n depends on the pronunciation of that particular word. I mean whether this one is being pronounced as P means consonant, then only A will be applicable. For example, do second. He is running for R. Listen, look here. This particular word is R. This is starting with H. It is consonant, but which article from either A or N will be applicable here? It depends on the pronunciation. It's written as however, but we are just pronouncing it as R. R is starting, the pronunciation R contains O. H is silent here. That's why which article will be applicable? An. In when you were in either 4th, 5th classes, the teacher was just teaching you that okay, A will be applicable if the word is starting with consonant, A will be applicable. If the word is starting with vowel, N will be applicable. But it is not the real picture. The way to just apply A or N depends on the pronunciation of that particular word. I mean whether the word is applicable or whether the word is being pronounced either as it is being pronounced as vowel sound, if this word is being pronounced with vowel sound, then N will be applicable. If it is being pronounced with consonant sound, it will be A will be used. So you have to be very sure about it. Today I will be teaching you like this only. Third one, he is European. Which article will be used here? It's starting with vowel. But it's starting with vowel. But what is being pronounced? It is pronounced as European. What is being pronounced? European. So what is this U? It is being pronounced as consonant. So we will be just yo. It is yo. That's why there will be A will be applicable. He is a European. I have rupee note. What will be here? I have 1. 1. I have rupee note. What will be the article here? I have 1 rupee note. One. It's a vowel but being pronounced as consonant like this. 1. We will be pronouncing it like 1. So wa is consonant. That's why what will be applicable? Oh. I have a 1 rupee note. I have a 1 rupee note. So, what I am trying to say, A or N is used according to the pronunciation of the word for which they are applied, not only on the basis of vowel and consonant. Earlier in the classes we were just studying that the vowel, अगर word जो है vowel से start होता है तो N लगा दो, consonant से start होता है A लगा दो. That is not the fact. The fact is, if the word is starting with consonant in pronunciation depends on pronunciation. If your उच्चारण अगर word को vowel के जैसे पढ़ते हो तो N लगाओगे, और अगर उसको भले ही वो वॉवेल से स्टार्ट हो रहा है बट अगर आप उसको कॉन्सोनेंट के जैसे पढ़ते हो तो आप क्या लगाओगे? ए लगाओगे. तो आई एम ओनली टॉकिंग अबाउट आइदर ए और एन. सो you have to be very serious. I think you must be having a grammar book with you. So you have to go through the grammar in article chapter, and first exercise will be done by you in your homework. Whatever the grammar book you have, article exercise 1 will be your homework. So you have to submit your homework on WhatsApp number in your group. You are added in your group WhatsApp number. So the homework that you will be preparing will be submitted by you in that particular group. So is it clear? Tomorrow I will be just dealing with the. Since I am not having you people are not having the proper book. If you are having proper book, so just comment me that okay, you all have English book. So then I will be just dealing with the textbook from tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So okay, thank you very much.